Good morning. In the Philippines, we are very fond of basketball. And we have one basketball team here, a professional basketball team called Ginebra, uh, whose tag name is Never Say Die. This team was started by the legendary coach and player, Robert Jaworski, wherein in one of the games in the 80s, is that he was hit somewhere here on the lips, and he was brought to the hospital, and lo and behold, uh, that same game, he went back to the stadium and fielded himself being the playing coach. At the time, their opponent is leading the game. But when Coach Jaworski went into play, he started executing those plays. Some were even fancy, and he himself started to hit uh, three pointers, layups, etc. And to cut the long story short, they won the game, which started the moniker Never Say Die for that particular team. Coach Jaworski has long been retired, and the legacy continues. In the current Philippine Basketball Association, this team has uh, obviously uh, the largest fan base in the Philippines, and it's almost always uh, 100% sure that when they do have games, people would flock to the Coliseum to watch their games. And players who joined this particular team are very thankful that they are with the most popular team in the Philippines, which also led to their additional uh, market share of the Philippine basketball fans. And eventually, this is now being handled by another legendary coach, probably the best coach in the Philippines right now, Coach Tim Cone, who has broken some records in terms of winning championships. He now holds the most number of championship in the PBA, and he has won the Asian game after 60 plus years, and he also led the Gilas Pilipinas team in beating world's number 6, Latvia. And uh, people are beginning to uh, be hopeful again on the Philippine team, thanks to the overall collaboration among the leadership, especially Manny Pangilinan of Smart Communications PLDT, and Ramon Ang of San Miguel Corporation. And definitely, uh, Coach Al Francis Chua uh, is very instrumental in making sure that we uh, continue the never say die attitude in the Gilas Philippine basketball team. So we are hopeful that we will be beating stronger teams in the coming years, and soon. And we are very hopeful. We are very positive that we will gain back the glory of Philippine basketball in terms of global competition, where we won third place, in FIBA in the 50s, during the time of coach and also the best Filipino basketball player, Kaloy Loizaga. So, uh, for the ordinary Filipino, that never say die attitude is about having a winning mindset. In one interview of Kobe Bryant, uh, actually the scenario was, he was being asked whether he would beat Vince Carter in a dunking competition. And Kobe Bryant mentioned that I wouldn't allow him to win. So that's what I mean. Winning mindset is all about. It's not about bragging. It's not about uh, uh, propaganda for oneself, but it's about uh, having that mindset that you can do it and that can be applied to life. So imagine, let's say, uh, you lost some money in business, and there are a lot of success stories on it. People, those who have that kind of mindset, were able to recover and eventually become successful again. So I won't elaborate much on this, and I've done a lot of shorts on the millionaire's mindset. But we just remember that everything starts in the mind. All right?